This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 46 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We've got an interesting part of the suspension. It's a plastic bit which gives it the flexibility it needs, but I'm not sure about the strength. But we'll work on that. We've got a couple of pins to hold that in place, as well as a couple of screws. So let's see how that's going to work. We need these two bars, which are going to hold this in place to the bit that we played around with last time. We'll need that in a minute, but not quite yet. First of all, this is fitting onto here. So it goes on there, basically that way up, onto there like that. So we've got the bars to go through there. See how that lines up. Bar obviously goes through the middle bit there. They seem to be the same size, so that doesn't help. And there's a hole through that plastic bit there, so you've got to get that lined up in there like so. And then that goes all the way through. I thought I was going to have a tougher time than that, but got in there okay like that. Let's do the same on this side as well. Hopefully just as easy. Through there. Not wanting to go through there. Let's try it the other way around just in case. These didn't. Oh, they are slightly knurled. Didn't catch the knurling on the first one, but obviously got it the right way around, just by more by luck than judgment. So that's that one on there. Is actually a tighter fit, so that knurling is obviously not as good on the first bar. Didn't get it lined up properly anyway, so that's okay. Try that again. Through there, that's got to go to there. There we go. That's that. Let's try just pushing it. Not having it, just pushing it, so I'm going to have to squeeze it. I'll do that off camera. The other thing, these two need screwing into the top. Through there, into the slightly elongated hole, because when that moves, it's going to flex in and out a little bit. So I'll get those screwed in, get that bar pushed home, and then see about fixing the wheels on. Right, there we go. That's that connected and home and wobbly, but wobbly in a good way, I hope. So then we need to fix the axle onto that, or the steering rack onto that. It's got to go over this post, that tube. It's got to go over there. So let's see how I can get this in the right place, as well as being in the right place. So that goes over there. And then these should just, they've got to go under there. Like that. There we go. And then the other end of this will line up under there. And one of these screws will hold that in place. Got an extra screw. I don't need an extra screw. One of these through there. And I get that lined up properly. Like that. hold that while that is there. And get that in there. Tricky little thing. That again. Feels like that's going in somewhere now. There we go. Get the other side in, and then worry about tightening them up later. Go in and under there, because that's right around there. Let's turn that like that. There we go. That one there. And that one in there. I'll get those tightened up, but the steering is sort of, you can see how it's going to work. If I move it back on camera, you can see how it's going to work anyway. There you go. That's going to do that. It's obviously all wobbly and loose anyway at the moment because it needs the other top bracket of that connecting, which must be next time. So I shall get those tightened up and then very carefully put this out of the way for another month until we get the next pack. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon. Bye-bye for now.